Good morning, class 7 students. This side Yochal sir. As you all know, we have completed science. Syllabus of PT1 we have done, and you have given test also. So from this week, we will be starting with the GK. We will do from page number 4 to 8. Age of Discovery, Get the Ball Rolling, CompuVocab, and Our Living Tradition. In the PDF file, I will send you these pages. You will do it yourself. Thank you. So starting with the first chapter, The Age of Discovery. According to a research, about 86% of all species on land and 91% in the seas and oceans are yet to be discovered. We haven't discovered these species yet. Scientists are using different technologies such as remote cameras, special sound software to find new species of animals. Read about few animals that have been discovered in last few years. The first is flapjack octopus. It has a ear-like fins on its head that is used to swim. You can see the pic. It has 8 joint legs in the shape of an umbrella. The shape is like an umbrella only. It can completely flatten its body. It is found in the deep sea. The next one is the flick-flack spider, also known as cartwheeling spider, can do forward and backward flips. I hope you all know what are flips. So flick-flack spider can do forward and backwards flips. It can move uphill or downhill, doing cartwheels up to 2 meters per second. This is twice its walking speed. It is found in deserts of Morocco. The third one, white spotted pufferfish. It is known for making circular designs on the seabed. Its diet consists of algae, corals, sponges, and starfish. It is used in the Indo-Pacific area, including the Red Sea. The next one, the Ninja lanternuk shark is a species of shark. Its skin is black and dotted with spots. You can see the black skin, which makes the shark glow. It preys means basically it eats. It preys on small animals such as shrimps. It is found in Central America. The next one is the Clington newt. Has a red and black markings which make it easy to spot. You can see here. It can be easily spotted. It is found near streams, pools, under rocks and rotted wood. It eats insects. It is found in Thailand. The Cape mouse is the first new mammal species discovered in Europe in over 100 years. It has bigger eyes, teeth, ears. Compared to other European mice, it is found in island of Cyprus. So basically, students, you have to learn the properties of these mammals, of the, you can say, insects, or the discovered animals. You have to learn the properties by heart. The next is the rainbow-headed snake has scales around its head that reflect rainbow-like colors. You can see in the pic on the right side. It is found in Laos. The mutable rain frog, nicknamed punk rocker frog, is the first vertebrate animal with backbone. You know what are vertebrates? Vertebrates are the animals having backbone. Known to change its skin texture, it can be covered in spikes one moment and can be totally smooth to the next. This is the important property. I repeat again, it can be covered in spikes one moment and can totally be smooth on the next. It is found in the forest of Ecuador. You can see the pic. It seems like a frog. Totally, it's a frog. The Himalayan forest thrush has a distinctive musical call. It is found in parts of India and China. The Lesula monkey has blonde hair and blue bottom. The bottom is a little bit of blue. It eats fruits and leafy parts. It is found in the Democratic Republic of Congo. So you have to learn this chapter, The Age of Discovery. Coming on to the next, Get the Ball Rolling. Some idioms are given. Idioms are an important part of every language. The meanings of some idioms are given below. Tick the correct one. Like first one, something that happens very rarely. This is the meanings of what can be the idiom. Once in a blue moon, at the drop of a hat, best of both worlds, devil's advocate, etc. So on this page, nearly 6 questions are given. You have to tick the correct answer. B part. For every proverb, we can often find the opposite one. Match the following proverbs with their opposites. Like on the left side, good things come to those who wait. Hard work always pays off. So you have to find the opposite one. The third one, the best things in life are free. Birds of a feather flock together. Look before you leap. You should know the meaning of each and every one. On the right side, it's given there is no such thing as a free lunch. Strike while the iron is hot. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Time and tides wait for no man. Opposite attract. So this is something grammatical things. You have to do this page also. Coming on to the next chapter, compute vocab. Here a crossword is given. Missing puzzle. You have to solve this. Questions are given below. Across. The number system of zeros and ones that computer use. An application that allows you to look at websites on the internet. Peripheral device that displays information. The smallest unit of computer memory. The command for duplicating data. So reading these all questions on the in the across and the down one, you have to solve this crossword. Coming on to the last one, our living tradition. Students, you know, India is made up of many states. Every states have a different tradition, different song, you can say, cultural song, different dressing style, different eating style, you can say, dishes and all. So our living tradition. So on this page, some questions are given. Like I'll read some of them. The origin of Madhubani paintings goes back along. These paintings depict scenes from the epics, nature and society. Geometric designs are popular. So in which state? A lot of questions are given. 7 questions are given, and the hints are given in the this block. Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Rajasthan and Himachal. So students, you have to solve these pages till our living traditions. Thank you.